We have here a model 320 Bomar saw. The saw, some of the features of the saw are a 1-inch blade, carbide blade guides, and the length of the blade being 9 foot 6 inches long. It is powered by a 2 horsepower 2-speed motor providing 130 and 260 surface feet per minute. The frame is counterbalanced by a coil spring supplemented by a hydraulic adjustment for metering oil out to provide downforce. The sawing capacity at 90 degrees is 9 3/8 square and 9 3/4 on a round piece. At 60 degrees, the capacity of the saw is 4 1/4 inches round and 5 inches by 4 inches on a rectangle. The vise is operated and also a cam lock to bear against the workpiece. The saw features a control panel with an emergency stop switch, the main motor start and stop, and a coolant control for operating coolant during either when the blade is running or it can be forced on when the blade is off, and a hydraulic control for feed force. The saw can be pivoted with a frame clamp and by turning the frame from 0 to 60 degrees. And the saw also features a powered coolant pump.